Welcome to a world where machines learn and evolve, just like us. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's a science that allows computers to find hidden insights without being explicitly programmed where to look. In our current age of information, it's an essential tool. It helps us sift through mountains of data, make predictions, improve user experience, and even drive our cars. Today, we delve into the 4 types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Our first stop on this journey is supervised learning. Imagine training a dog to fetch a ball. You show it how to do it, reward it when it gets it right, and correct it when it gets it wrong. Supervised learning works similarly. It uses labeled data to predict outcomes. This type of learning can be further classified into 2 categories: classification and regression. While classification predicts discrete outcomes like yes or no, regression predicts continuous outcomes like how much or how many. Despite its effectiveness, supervised learning does have a downfall. It requires a lot of training data, and labeling that data can be time-consuming and expensive. Next, we explore the world of unsupervised learning. This is like letting a toddler loose in a playroom. The toddler starts to explore and understand the world around her without any guidance. Unsupervised learning learns from test data that has not been labeled, classified, or categorized. Instead of responding to feedback, it identifies commonalities in the data and reacts based on the presence or absence of such commonalities. This is great for exploratory analysis, but the lack of labels means results can be unpredictable. On the third leg of our journey, we encounter semi-supervised learning. It's a sort of middle ground between supervised and unsupervised learning. It works with a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data. This method can be cost-effective, as it doesn't require as much labeling. It's often used when the cost of labeling is too high, or when only a small amount of labeled data is available. However, it's worth noting that this method can be less accurate than supervised learning, as it relies heavily on the quality of the unlabeled data. Finally, we venture into the realm of reinforcement learning. Picture teaching a robot to walk. It takes a step, falls, gets up, and tries again, learning from its mistakes. That's reinforcement learning in action. This method learns by trial and error, and makes decisions based on the reward or punishment it receives. It's great for situations where we have a lot of data and the ability to simulate the environment, such as in gaming or navigation. However, it can be computationally expensive and time-consuming. Machine learning, in all its forms, is transforming the way we understand and interact with the world around us. From predicting stock market trends to recommending your next favorite movie, it's an ever-evolving field that's making the impossible possible. As we continue to advance in this digital age, who knows what new learning methods we'll discover next? So, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the fascinating world of machine learning.